Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now in this video we are going to do a very classic question, okay, that is reversing a string. Okay, clear, I have taught you how can you reverse a string using stacks. Today we are going to do it in a simple way. So yeah, this is one of the important question that is asked very frequently in the interviews. Let's see how you do that. So let's take a string for now. Let's take a string as John Wick. Now we need to reverse this string, right? Let's write a method for that. Public. Actually, we can let IntelliJ create the method. So this is a reverse string method. Okay. It is supposed to return a string. Reverse string. We are passing word as an argument. Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to take a result variable that is string builder. Okay. Now why string builder, you might ask. As you already know, string is immutable, right? Every single time you make a modification to a string, it creates a new object. But string builder does not create a new object every time it is being modified. Okay, so I am taking a string builder. Okay, now what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to take a loop. Now this loop is going to run from word dot length -1. As long our I is greater or equal to 0, we'll keep the loop running. And yeah, we are supposed to append result dot append. What we are supposed to append? Word dot char at I. Okay, first time it will take the last letter and it will keep on adding the letter from the end till the index reaches 0. So the whole string will get reversed here. This method is enough. See, we are not converting our string to a character array and then we are trying to add it one by one in a reverse order. So if you're using this char method, which is O of 1 operation, you don't have to use that to char array method. Now what you need to return a string. So result dot toString. I guess this is enough. Let's see if we are able to reverse the string. I think we are able to do it. John Wick. Perfect. That means our logic is correct and we are able to do it very easily. This is just one of the logics to reverse a string. There are so many other ways using which you can reverse a string. Okay, this is just one of the ways. One of the ways could be, you can iterate the string in the reverse order and you can add the character one by one and that's it. Your string will get reversed. So this is just one of the logics through which you can reverse a string. And in next video we will be seeing how you can reverse the sentence itself. Okay, and that too in place without changing their position. So yeah, see you in the next one. May the source be with you.